Welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. We are looking at Usdjpy and looking at the daily time frame, we can see that we are coming to our monthly top trend line here. We are currently in our zone from March time in 2019. We found sensitivity up here, so we are struggling to break higher than this zone here. So this is giving me a slight indication that we are kind of looking in a reversal momentum right now. We can see also from subsection of our trend lines here, just on the overview, is that prices closing fully closed below the upwards trend line. So momentum, this could influence the momentum change, and this overthrow of where price is now is giving us an indication of either retest. So let me just drop it down, sorry. So either we'll find us retesting this zone again and then we were looking downwards, or we just zoom straight down. But we need to confirm all the scenarios. So looking back, so from 15th of April, really, 12th of April, sorry, we've been in this consolidation, in this range, in this zone. So this zone does show some validity. Sorry, I can't say the word. So it is basically very respected, and price is unable to close above this zone. So we can say that this zone holds very well. So we can use this zone as a form of entry if we know where price is more likely to go. So a perfect price entry point for us, because we have broken our upwards time frame zone, we could start to look for some sort of change in momentum. This is what happens with trading, but we also have to be careful because it could also go like that as well, and we could also get a fake out. So with the trading plan that I have and the strategy is, we obviously have extra rules, but we can obviously go through the basics where I look for a retest in this zone and then some sort of confirmation that brings us to to be convinced that we're in a momentum change, and we can start looking for price to change in the opposite way. So what I want to see in this for a short, I will be looking for some sort of change in this area here. So somewhere, I'm just going to put it halfway. There's no actual prediction here. So it's just, and it's not to scale, but this will be in this line here. And then the take profit zone will be somewhere in this area here, just from this previous zone here. We could also draw our take profits from this level here as well, and also this here as well. So where I'm putting these time frame zones is just because where price action has reversed. So when reversals happen, that is when the the key zone area is important. So this is where trading gets a bit it makes trading a bit more subjective, where you know where the price is going to reject if you expect it. However, if we didn't have these zones here, you wouldn't know where price would reverse. So therefore, price could come all the way here and just miss out your take profit zone and come all the way back negative. So we don't want that to happen. So these here are key zones that we kind of look for. So where price is at right now, so we could, so let's just drag these zones, sorry, here. So moving our zones across just to extend it a bit further, we get a better picture of how zones validate each other, right? So we have, so as we can see our key pin bars here, we do have 1 rejection, 2 rejection, but we have also a bigger rejection from the top. So we have a lot of sellers coming into play right now. So on top of that, we are making lower highs like this, and we're also making lower lows like this. Okay, so lower highs and lower lows, right? So what I'm looking for this, if I believe that price is going short, is a push in the downwards direction, a retest from this zone, and take profits would be in this region for this next target here. So somewhere looking like that. But like I said, we need confirmation from this for a definite retest for us to go further downwards. However, we could also see another rejection point here and an instant drop here, and like that, a retest again and a further drop again. So it's one of the two really, and my bias for this will be short if I can find a shorting opportunity. I highly don't expect it to go upwards, as we found our zone here very respectable. We could perhaps get another retest in this zone actually. So either way, I'll be looking for shorts from here downwards really. So anywhere really. So that is my analysis for this pair USDJPY. I'll look to do this again and review how price action unfolded in the following week, and we'll see how price actually did work out. So thank you for listening to this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.